Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to add 360 days to today's date. So by the end of this video, as you can see here in cell A1, this date here is 360 days from today.
Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that.
So if I go into cell A1 and I type equals today with a left parenthesis and then a right parenthesis, and then I hit enter, I can see that I'm being returned with 5/9/2024, and that is in fact today's date. So the today function will always return the current date. So tomorrow, if I were to save this spreadsheet and open it, I would see 5/10/2024. So the 360 days that we're going to add is going to be from the current date, and that will change with every day that you open this spreadsheet. So if I click back into A1 and I click here at the end of my last parenthesis and I type the plus sign and 360 and hit enter, I can see that I am being returned with 5/4/2025. So tomorrow when I open this cell will actually say 5/5/2025 because it will always use the relative today's date. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. We have some more date functions out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments for us, please leave them and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.